Today we are here at Sivananda Technical High School. We have a function where we're marking the milestone of 100 days that's remaining before our learners sit for the National Senior Certificate examination as the class of 2022. Our aim was basically to motivate them and to tell them that nothing will come, no success will come without hard work. And we told them that from today onwards they must cut down or eliminate completely all distractions, that they must spend most of their time doing work, studying, so that they pass. We've also emphasized to them that not only must they just pass, but they must aim to get bachelor passes so that next year we are able to meet them at tertiary institutions. We also indicated what we've done as a department in terms of supporting our learners, supporting our teachers to achieve our target. Our target is always 100%, but we always also have a minimum target or minimum percentage below which we don't want to go. This time around, we don't want to be below 80%. So in other words, even if we don't achieve 100%, we will definitely never go, we won't go below 80% this year. And what we have observed in the districts that we've been to is that there is hope that there's going to be improvement. Of the 9 districts that we've visited, I think we are concerned with only about 2 or 3, but even those we're going to be supporting them and ensuring them that we push hard for them to improve from their first term performance. We are actually hoping that even their second term performance will show improvement from the one that we were analyzing, which was their first term performance. We are also urging parents to ensure that the learners must face or must spend most of their time studying in order to succeed for themselves, to change their own lives as individuals and to change the lives of their families.